Buddhang saranang gacchami, dhammang saranang gacchami, sanghang saranang gacchami. Om Agni Devata, Vato Devata, Suryo Devata, Chandrama Devata, Vasavo Devata, Rudra Devata, Dija Devata, Maruto Devata, Vishve Deva Devata, Brihaspati Deva, Indra Devata, Varuna Devata. Well, the last Upanishad claimed that all the 5 elements and other 8 elements plus 1 all come from the same source and recognized as the Almighty God, our creative intelligence. Sanskrit word called Devata, the creative intelligence from the transcendental reality, responsibility from the structures manifest into Nam, Rup, or energy and form, sounds and form. This sound we're talking about, sound which is heard, Sanskrit called Shruti. When the sound, aware of its own nature, heard itself, it becomes the law or natural law. And that when sound becomes law, is based on its own memories called Smriti. And this only happened before space and time in the transcendental reality, Sanskrit called Puran or ancient. The point value where the R collapses into Ga, R sound collapses into Ga. This is where Purana or ancient reside. And with this area or this point value, you have the memories of manifestation, the memories of all the laws of nature, and the memories of all the sounds. So Vedic science or Veda is not a book, it's just a sound. The reality of sound, the intelligence within the sound, the structure within the sound. This is what we focus on to bring our conscious mind to become simple, simplest, and most simplest, so we can appreciate the basic sound, and then we become that sound. And when you become that sound, then we know the whole permeating sound in the whole infinite universe. I'm very happy to share with you from my YouTube channel, and I hope this channel will be more appreciated by the intellectual seekers around the world soon. All the credits of this channel go to Maharishi Mahesh Yogi and Vedic Guru Parampara, our beloved master. Jai Gurudev.